high to me, I would say. Let's have a look. So just some trade reviews. I was actually going on for Euro Yen long. So indeed, on Monday, price actually went up. We tested the zone, and I got my 3:1 risk to reward ratio, which is hooray for me. Dollar CAD, also another trade which I spoke about last week. Same thing, price broke, retest, and then it flew down, got another 3:1. The Aussie Kiwi is the one that I did bang in some profits, not as much as I like, but it seems to give me another re-entry opportunity this week. Tested the trend line again. Yeah, so I might have a trade on for Aussie Kiwi Monday early morning. Yeah, so what happens was price actually did test, went down. Yeah. And then when price went down, I actually shifted my stop loss to entry, then shifted down a bit. So, but price actually broke out of the support area. Yeah. Then I got knocked out for just a bit of money. Yeah, at 1:1, which is still a good thing. Overall, still a good week for me. Now, for this upcoming week, my analysis didn't change really too much. So let's have a look at CAT. So when you look at a weekly chart for CAT, I did mention last week that CAT, Monday morning is going to be really important for me. And same thing, if it follows through, break out above, I'll be really bullish about CAT. Yeah, so this is what's happening now. It breaks above $80. Doesn't seem like it's gonna be anytime it's going to retrace. Yeah, so I'm gonna still be bullish about CAT for this week. Yeah, until price says otherwise. Now Euro is gonna be an interesting week for me. I can see a lower high, first lower high, second lower high, but it's gonna hit $120. Yeah, so this will be a major horizontal level for me. So Monday afternoon. Yeah, when the London session opens, we'll be really keeping a close watch on Euro to see whether it bounces off 120. If it does, I'm still going to be bullish about this pair simply because 120 is a really strong level for me to trade off. Yeah, but if it actually closes below for the first 4-hour bar or even the daily bar, that means on Tuesday morning, then I'll be bearish about Euro. Yeah, so let's keep a close watch for Euro. Swiss, seems that I was quite reluctant to trade Swiss last week. Yeah, but overall, I'm quite bearish about it. It didn't really quite hit the horizontal level. You can see that it's a bit of a wick appearing. Now, wherever, at the risk of repeating myself, when price doesn't show any conviction at a horizontal level, I will tend to stay out of it, especially now that we can see a wick appear and it's several cents short of the horizontal level. Yeah, so until price shows me that it's going to be bearish, yeah, I won't be bullish about Swiss at all. Yeah, unless there's some bearish signs that comes up, I won't be touching Swiss. So Kiwi is the one that also interesting for me. You can see that this will be the tops, and then it seems that this engulfing bar is forming a lower high. Yeah, so I'm going to be cautiously bearish about Kiwi. Yeah, it doesn't have much space to run to $70. Yeah, if I can put in a position, I'll probably do so, but I'll take a quick TP once. Yeah, take a partial profit off. Yeah, don't want to risk running straight to $70 and then bouncing it off. Again, $70 is really a strong horizontal level for me. Yeah, don't wish to trade to such level without any sort of protection. Now, pound, I've been saying that pound probably will range at the $140 level, and it did still not giving me any strong conviction where it wants to go. But overall, I will be bearish about it. Yeah, very similar to Aussie, in fact. Yeah, so why is similar to Aussie? You can see that price has been ranging in this box for quite some time already. Same as Aussie. You can see that it actually ranges in this. Yeah, I don't think it's a good idea for trend traders to touch either of these two pair unless you get a really, really strong or weak currency that pairs against it. Yeah. Otherwise, pound and Aussie on its own, I think you'll be ranging. Not a particularly strong or weak pair to trade with. DXY, bearish, come back, retest the horizontal level, not a particularly strong one, but still I will deem this as a horizontal level. So Monday morning to actually to evening, yeah, when the US market opens, I will see whether there's any bearish follow through. If it does, I'll continue shorting the DXY all the way to $90. A bit more space to run up. So in this instance, I'll be really conservative. I'll take a TP once. Yeah, I won't really go into I won't be hoping to score a multi risk to reward kind of trades. The last on my list, yen. Very nice, perfect touch of the horizontal level, went down. Nothing much to be said about this. I'm still going to be really, really bearish about it. Now, with that saying that this week, the currencies that I'm going to short actually didn't change much for last week. Why I say that, if you look at Aussie Kiwi, like I mentioned, seems that it's going to give me another opportunity to enter. I'm going to get rid of this level. Yeah, so Monday morning, I might be placing this trade. Yeah, just gonna observe a bit for the hourly. Yeah, see if any bearish strength that comes in. If it does, I'll just jump in and short this pair. Yeah, same thing going for 3:1. Now, dollar cat, good trade for me last week. I'm seeing that if this week, sort of consolidation on Thursday to Friday. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for any bearish strengths, any bearish candles to come in. Again, I'll be shorting this pair. Yeah. And then the last, so these are actually similar pairs to last week. The last is actually still Euro Yen for me. Pretty good trade for me. I'm just waiting for retracement to this level, and then I'll put in a long position. Yeah. So no changes to my overall analysis. I'm still keeping constant, which is rare. But at times when I play out like this, I'm really happy just to